Info please. Dotting.
Information required for common man.
Hi, in this video we see how to use internet banking with the SBI Yono app. Previously there was SBI Anywhere Android app was available, but it seems that SBI has updated it SBI Anywhere app to Yono app. So when you install it and open it, it opens like this, and this is the first time we are using this. So we first register in Yono Lite SBI. So click on new user registration. Now we must have the debit card with us, and we must have the account number, and we must have the internet banking details too. So let's open. Now click on proceed. Now enter the account number. Now enter the CIF number. CIF number means that is customer identification number. You can find this number in your passbook. Enter the number. Now enter the branch code. Click on get a branch name. So location means the district. After selecting the district, then you can select the branch name here. 20174. Now click submit. Two 9487732.
Hi friend. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for sharing.